Hello students, welcome to Time YouTube channel. Hope you are preparing well. In this session, we will look at questions from the topic averages, mixes, alligations. The important models in TS and AP ICET examination. The maximum number of questions that we can expect in ICET examination, that is 2 questions. My dear students, this topic not only important in quantitative aptitude, this topic is important for data sufficiency as well as data interpretation. The concepts of this averages, mixes, alligations will be tested in data sufficiency and data interpretation as well. ఈ టాపిక్ ఏదైతే ఉందో యావరేజ్ మిక్సెస్ అలిగేషన్స్ మనకి క్వాంటిటివ్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్లో ఇంపార్టెంట్, తర్వాత డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్, డేటా సఫిషియన్సీలో కూడా మనకి ఈ అప్లికేషన్స్ మనకి అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. సో లెట్స్ బిగిన్ విత్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. వెయిటేజ్ ఫర్ దిస్ టాపిక్ 2 questions, maximum number of questions. Okay, now look at the first example. Question number 1, the average of 11 consecutive natural numbers. Average of the 11 consecutive natural numbers is x. If the 6th number is 12, find x. Dear students, read the question carefully and pick the relevant data. Please pause the video and solve the question. మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, మీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. But logic is very, very important here. The number of terms is 11. 11 is the odd number. And here he is saying that consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers and the number of terms is odd. Just points, just remember, look at the points here. Note, consecutive natural numbers means common difference is 1. Common difference is 1 means that series is called as a arithmetic progression. What do you mean by arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means quantities are said to be arithmetic progression when they increase or decrease by a common difference to get the next or the previous term respectively. Okay, ఇక్కడ మన కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? 1 ఉంది. సో it is following a series of arithmetic progression. Then what about the second point, point number 2? Point number 2, if we observe the number of terms, the number of terms here, it is odd. How many terms given here? Total 11 terms. Total 11 terms means the number of terms is odd. In that case, average formula మీరు అప్లై చేయండి, మీకు ఆన్సర్ డైరెక్ట్గా వస్తుంది. So what is the discussion here? The average means sum of the observations by number of observations. This average is always a middle number. Average is the middle number. So what is the middle number here? Middle number is equal to 12. So what is the average? Average is equal to 12. Option number 4. Total 11 numbers, 6th number is 12 means 6th number, that is 12. 6th number is 12 means now on either side, if you observe either side, you will find 5 numbers. Either side you will find 5 numbers. 5 numbers plus 5 plus 1, that is the 11th number. Always the middle number is the average. So average is equal to 12. The right choice is option number 4. Okay. Look at the example to question number 2. The average age of a class of 20 students is 20 years. If the age of the teacher, class teacher, if the age of their class teacher is included, class teacher's age is included, the average age of the class becomes 21 years. Find the age of the class teacher. Average, what is the formula for average? Average is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. So we can find the sum just by multiplying the number with the average. I am going to apply this logic. Average into number, number into average. So a number into average is equal to sum. How many students? 20. What is the average? 20. 20 into 20, that is 400. So what is the total age of the class of 20 students? That is 400. 400 is the total age. Total age means sum of the ages of all the 20 students. Now, when the age of the teacher included means 20 students plus class teacher, that is 21 members. What happens? The average age increases by 1 year. Now, 20 becomes 21 means increases by 1 year. So, what is the result here? 21 into 21, that is 441. Before adding the age of the teacher, it was 400. By adding the age of the teacher becomes 441. So, what is the age of the teacher? Age of the teacher means the difference of these two values. 441 minus 400, the result is 41 years. The age of the teacher, that is 41 years, option 2. Right answer is choice number 2. Okay. Dear students, if you observe the same question carefully, now we can answer the question just logically. In previous question logical ga manam simplify chesamu, ade manner lo ee question kuda manam simplify cheyochu. For example, look at this one. 20 students, average is 20. Now you are adding one person. Who is that? Teacher's age included. So one person includes the age. The age of the person is included. The average increases by. Average increases by means, just observe this. Previously it was 20. Now it is 21. Increases by 1 year. What it mean? The entire group, the total group means 20 plus 1, 21. 21 members యొక్క average increase అవుతుంది. So increases by 1 year means it is lifting the entire group value by 1 year. So 20 plus 1, 21 year members here, increases by 1, that is the average increases by 1, and plus the old average. What is the old average? 20. So 1 time of 21, that is 21 plus 20, the result is 41. So what is the age of the teacher? That is 41. You can apply the same logic. If the age of the teacher included, the weight of the teacher is included, height of the person is included, so you can apply the same logic. So here one person included, so 1 plus 20, that is 21, increase or decrease in the average. Here average increases by 1 year, plus old average, that is equal to weight, age, height of the new person. Okay. Hope you are copying this explanation. Right. Now look at the next example on your screen, question number 3, third question. A group consists of 11 men. If 2 men are ages 28 years and 31 years are replaced by 2 other men named Amar and Bhavan, the average age of the group drops means decreases by, drops by 1 year. Find the average age, of the Amar and Bhavan in years. Yes, my dear students, please apply the previous logic here. You will get answer in few seconds. For example, now look at this one. Now 2 members are replaced by new people, 21 plus 31. How much is the sum of these two? 21 plus 31, that is 60. 29 plus 31, that is 60. Now what happened here? Here by replacing these 2 people with the other 2 members, now replaced with the other 2 members. So what are the ages of the other 2 members here? It is not given, need to find. So here what is the result? It drops by 1 year. 1 year it drops means how many members are there? 11 members. 11 into 1, it is 11. So subtract 11 from sum of these 2. How many members are moving here? 2 people. Just divide with 2. So sum by number is equal to average. So here 60 minus 11, that is 49. So 49 by 2. Yes, you are right. You will get answer. What is the result here? 49 by 2, that is 24.5. The average age of the Amar and Bhavan, that is 24.5. So right choice is option 3. Third choice is the right answer. Okay. So, here decreases by 1 year. Decreases by 1 year means it is affecting the entire group. Entire group means the group consists of 11 members. So, decreases by 11. So, 29 plus 31 minus 11 by 2. Now, look at the next example on your screen. Okay. Two solutions A and B having a 30% milk and 80% milk are mixed to form a mixture which contains 50% milk. Find the ratio of the quantities of A and B. Dear students, here mixing two varieties. What are the two varieties here? A and B, having the milk concentration here 30 and 80%. Milk 30%, 80% in two solutions A and B. So, I am taking here A and B. The first one is a 30%, second one is a 80%. What is the resultant here? The resultant, the mixture formed contains 50% of milk. Now, here I am going with the alligation concept, just to look at this one. So, I am comparing the milk of A with B and observing it the mixture. What is the mixture here? That is the 50%. Now, just observe the differences. 80 and 50, difference is 30, and 30 and 50, difference is 20. So, what is the ratio? The ratio is equal to 3:2. The ratio is 3:2. What is the right option? Choice 4. So, what to find? Find the ratio of the quantities of A and B. A and B ratio is 3:2. Okay. Right. Now, look at the next example. A class has 40 students. A total of 250 was distributed among them. Each boy got 8 rupees and each girl got rupees 5.50. Find the number of boys in the class. Of course, you can answer the question by using the trial and error method through options. But here in alligations, what is the number of boys? Please collect the data. The total amount is 250. The total number of students is 40. Boy got 8 rupees and girl 5 rupees 50 paise. I am taking here one side boys, other side girls. Total number of students. Total number of students is 40. Total 40 students here. Total amount is 250. Dear students, please listen to me carefully. I am solving this question in a simple manner. Each boy got 8 rupees. Each boy got 8 rupees means let us assume all are boys. All are boys means the total how many students here? 40. 40 into 8. It is 320 rupees. But actually how much here? 250. Let us assume all are girls. All are girls means 40 into 5.5. 40 into 5, 200. 40 half, that is 20. 200 plus 20, 220. What it mean? When you assume all are boys, you need 320 rupees, you are going to distribute 320 rupees. When all are girls, you are going to distribute 220 rupees. But actually 250 rupees were distributed. Just observe the differences. The difference of these two. How much is the difference here? 70. The difference of the 250 and 320, that is 70, and difference of 220 and 250, it is 30. What is the ratio? Ratio is 3:7. What is the number of boys? Number of boys to be found. Ratio is 3:7. 3:7 means sum of the ratios is 10. Sum of the ratios is 10. Total number of students is 40. 40 by 10 means one part is equal to how much? 4. One part is equal to 4 means 3 parts is equal to how much? 3 times of 4, that is 12. So, how many boys? Boys is equal to 12. So, what is the right choice? Option number 1. My dear students, if you are not good at concept, you can try by using the options. For example, so 12 students, let us assume these are boys, 12 are boys. Each boy got how much here? 8 rupees. So, what is the result? 8 into 9, sorry, 8 into 12. How many girls? How many girls means just observe 40 total strength in the 12 are boys, remaining are girls. How many girls here? 28. So, each girl got rupees 5.5. 8 into 12, that is 96. So, what is the product of these two numbers? 5 times of 28, 140. 5 times of 28, 140. 0.5 means half. Half of 28, that is 14. Now, just observe 154. So, 154 plus 96, how much is the sum of these two numbers? It is 250. It is satisfying the amount given in the question. It is satisfying the total number. It is satisfying the amounts given to each person as well as the total. So, what it means? This choice is the right choice. So, you can try the question by using options as well. Okay. Hope you have copied all the information. Right. Thank you. All the best. Have a nice day.